trades, welcome to my channel. Today is continuing my Spooktacular Halloween series for 2018. Today is day 3. So today we will be creating a mermaid look. I wanted to do something a little bit more simple and more colorful, and just something that I feel like a lot of people could do that may like to do this. Because the first two were kind of dark. So we're gonna go with something a little more bubbly and airy and happy today. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, you will see that I have no eyebrows again. And I do, they are just blonde. They're a light color, so they're like non-existent unless I color them in. But I'm doing that because I will be coloring them in with a pretty green color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with that so I don't look crazy but for so long. And I'm gonna scoot up and get close too. All right, now that I am close, we're going to start off, and I am using this palette here. It is the Wet n Wild paint palette. It's actually for painting your face. So for Halloween looks and stuff. So I'm excited to get use out of this. Alright, I am going to try a brown tone color out of this Modern Matte BH Cosmetics palette to try and dull down this green because we do not need neon eyebrows. Alright, they are still a bit greener than what I would like, but we're just going to go with it and see how the final look ends up. So next, I'm going to go ahead and work on my eyes. They are primed and ready to go. I'm going to start out with a base kind of color. So even though it's not typically what I would do, this is Mermaid and we want as shimmery as possible. So I'm going to use these shimmer shades from the Aurora Light BH Cosmetics palette. Yes, I do own more than these palettes. I just love them so much that that's generally what I use like all the time. From this, I am using Fluorescent. Alright, and then to darken it up, I am going to take, again, my Lori Lee Pretty Animal palette and hung over out of that. Alright, next I am going to blend out that top line. And because this is a mermaid look, I did go ahead and blend it down slightly to the underneath, which we'll handle in 1 second. Now for the inner portion, I want that to be a beautiful purple. My bad extensions are being really bad right now. So I have this liquid purple thing. And then just to kind of help blend that out, I'm going to go back with a purple. Let's go with this gleaming up here. And then for the inner corner, I am going for a more dramatic look. So I'm going to go back with this fluorescent color and put this right on the inner area, right there. Alright, and then continuing for a more dramatic look, I'm going to go ahead and add more color right underneath, and we're going to go big. So for this, I'm going to go with Magical. And then to really brighten up the pink, I am going to take this bottoms up color with, it has the glitter in it. It's so pretty. Right underneath as well. Alright, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do some black eyeliner and some wings, and I'll be right back. Alright, and before I put mascara and lashes and all of that on, which you will see why, I'm going to go ahead and do my scales. This is the hard, funny part, so yeah. Give me all your money. Alright, this is not comfortable. Let's get it done. Now you see why I didn't put lashes on. Alright, next I am going to just blend out some of these edges to kind of blend it in better. And then also to kind of dull down some of the brightness and kind of blend it and make it look better, I am going to go ahead and take, again, the Aurora Lights palette. This color, it is called Australis. I'm saying that right. With a big fluffy brush over top of it. Alright, now I can go ahead and do my mascara and my lashes. So I'll be right back. Alright, I am back with this on. And I went ahead and also brought more color right underneath. I just wanted it to be more. So to finish the lips, I am going to use this liquid eyeliner stuff again. But I don't have like a really purpley lipstick, and this I think will work really well. And while my lips are still wet, I am going to add a little bit of glitter to them. I'm also going to go ahead and add some glitters. I have a white one, I have a silver one, and I'm just going to kind of play with it and kind of add some sparkle to certain areas. The white is really gorgeous, but it's just not showing up on camera very well, so I'm going to try the silver instead and see how well that works. And then to really seal the deal, I have these little stickers. They do sell these jewel type things specifically for this purpose, but I'm cheap. And I was able to get these, I think at like the dollar store or something. So, and they have these designs in them with all different shapes, and I was like, I can use those. So I'm just gonna randomly kind of stick these on and create some cool designs. And as a final step, I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to the tip of my nose. And for this, I am using, again, BH Blacklight Highlighter. Alrighty, that is the final look. Lots of glitter. I'm super happy how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too and were able to follow along with the tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you do like this look, and let me know in the comments below if you do try it. So if you are not already, don't forget to subscribe, because today is only day 3 of my Halloween Spooktacular. This is the 2018 series. I will be doing it every year because this has been so fun. So I am posting every day this week all the way up until Saturday. So I hope that you guys join me for that. And if you've not already seen my other looks, I will link them in the iCards as well as at the end of the video and maybe in the description too. They'll be around. I think I'm going to make a whole playlist as well with just Halloween looks that I have created. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as I have. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.